So the Galaxy Z Fold or G Fold depends on what Samsung end up calling it. It all set to launch, and we have got a ton of new information about this. Things include some official video. So let's get into it. What's up guys, Aman here. First up, we got more confirmation that the Galaxy Trifold is expected beyond just South Korea and China. According to recent report, both the US and UAE are confirmed to get it as well. There will be other market too. Next, the Trifold will have 3 battery, one for each segment, each bigger than the last. There is no confirmation of exact battery capacity or charging speed, but it might be around 5000 mAh because Samsung also want this trifold to be thinner and lighter. So 5000 mAh seems realistic. Now let's talk about the part that I mentioned in the starting of the video. Those leak official video or render animation show how the interface and multitasking behave on the new trifold design. One of these clips focus on the camera app, and that's where things get really interesting. The clip shows off the zoom function and reveal that Galaxy Trifold could offer up to 100x zoom. This is huge because Samsung Foldable has been stuck with a 3x telephoto lens that max out at 30x zoom. To hit 100x zoom, they need 50 megapixel 5x zoom from the Ultra phone. Other reveal is the DeX feature. With the Trifold, you could now run DeX locally on the phone itself, something you can't do on the Z Fold lineup. Sure, the Z Fold can DeX, but only when connected to an external monitor or TV. On the Trifold, you can run the full desktop interface directly on the inner screen, similar to Samsung tablets. The animation also highlights One UI on the massive screen. Feature like continue app on main screen are there. Other clips shows how calls look on the trifold when it is fully open. Call appear in a floating window that you can freely move around using One UI multitask tool. In fact, I almost even seen from this animation the Galaxy Trifold look more like their tablet than a phone. And this not just another foldable fold. It's a whole new category that might replace a tablet for a lot of people. So yeah, this is everything we know about the Samsung Galaxy Trifold. I hope it delivers solid battery life because powering a screen this big will be a challenging. If this does include the 5x periscope zoom, that's going to fix one of the biggest weaknesses of the full lineup so far. Anyway, comment down below. I will love to know what you think about Galaxy Trifold, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.